on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to walk you through an oldie but a goodie. Today we're going to show you a $50,000 she shed that belongs to an 11-year-old girl that we built about 2 years ago. Now this is a 4-season she shed, which means that it's habitable all year long. And here where we're at, we get some really brutal winters. So stay tuned, let's check it out. Alright, so let's check this thing out. So upon walking up to it, you can see that we've got a sided structure up in the tree. We got asphalt shingles. The roof goes up to a peak and it drops back. The whole structure itself is 17 feet this way by 12.5 feet side to side. The deck up top is about a 4 foot wide by 12.5 feet, you know, landing up there so you can chill out and watch the stars, or you know, whatever you're into. Underneath here you can see that we've got spray foam inside the joist spaces. We also insulated the entire structure, so all the walls, the roof, the underside here, everything is totally foam insulated, which provides this structure adequate insulation to keep its heat in during, you know, sometimes we get about 50 below nights here. You can also see that we've got some power that's ran underground. It goes back to the house, and if you look back at the house, you can see that the siding on the house matches the siding on this structure here. You can see we got a window on this side. It's pretty basic from the outside, but let's go check out the inside. Now here at the door, this is a full height door. You can see we got the keypad. And actually this particular she shed belongs to an 11-year-old girl who, as you can see, has a makeup case here on the table. This is knotty pine, tongue and groove paneling. This has all been clear coated. As you can see, that's the window from the outside. There's 2 heaters in here in case you want to sleep out here in the cold nights. And here we've got a full height patio door that lets you out onto this 4 foot by 12.5 foot deck. As you can see, 2 of the trees are here connected. We also have that same knotty pine on the ceiling here. And this has full power, Wi-Fi. You can see that there's a TV here. Nice wood flooring. This is real wood. This is actually 3/4 inch thick. This isn't, you know, the cheap engineered stuff that you just put down. And as you can see here on the inside, in the highest point of this place, it's about 12 feet tall, and it tapers down to about 7.5 feet here in the back corner. You can also see that we got some can lighting in here, which is plenty of light for this little space. And this is just a nice little hotel in the sky. Now I believe plan 2 is to build a structure right there where that trampoline is and have the stairway go up to that structure. And I believe at that point we're going to get some running water out here. This will be a full-on livable space with probably storage down below, more like a garage. We got some flood lamps underneath, flood lamps on the side. So yeah, that's what a $50,000 she shed looks like. Now if you want to hire somebody who's capable of building you something like this, make sure you go to handyworks.com or download our app for both Android and Apple devices.